He owned a couple acres, a couple fake visas, cause he never got his papers. Gave up on love, fucking with them heartbreakers. But he was getting money with the movers and the shakers. He was mixed with a couple things, bought like a couple rings, bricks in a condo and grams to sing. Left arm, baby mother tatted. 5-year been up north when they read it. Anyway, I bring it over to my bed. You be high, baby. Bring it over to my bed. You don't know what you do.
So guys, let's have breakfast. I love soft bread. And food makes me so happy.
I do that 3-4 times again, I testify for you. I thought I liked you, that bitch, I do it all and I'm around, you scared to do. I'm not, long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. My man scheming, doing, hide your body. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you.
I actually cooked okra soup, which I'm gonna be eating with this Eba. So I'm just gonna put it in the microwave so it can get hot, and then we're gonna go. And yes, I know my Eba looks kind of big. I don't do portion control. I'm gonna start, but I'm hungry, so I might as well just eat. Yeah.
Like you do. In the drop top ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like the white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Just take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Hard to grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose?
Guys, it was such a long day. Like, I was going to complete my project on Sunday, so I'm going to be very busy on Sunday. So I decided to just cook today, so it's easier for me to just get what I need to eat and eat it. Currently, I have a variety of foods in my freezer. Obviously, I still have soup, and I also have the jollof rice I cooked with chicken. Then I also have some pasta. I also have some white rice. I also have stew. So I also have some salad, and then I have some fruits and whatever. Are you praying for me and I'm the main one? Are you blaming on me and you're the main one? Are you Hi guys, so I'm done taking a shower. I'm using my clip light because it's kind of dark here. It's night already, but I just wanted to show you guys my dinner. Yeah, some salad. I like to just add some salad cream to give it some taste. Eat with me, guys. Guys, if you don't have this clip light, you need to get it because I'm sure you can see the difference without the clip light. With the clip light, literally, like, it's just very bright. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me make everything I eat in a day, and I hope you guys also learned something new, which is you need to start eating healthy. You need to focus on your health completely. 2025 is the year of glow up, and we all need to glow up together. So thank you so much for watching. Also, it's good to sleep early because when you sleep early, you get to wake up early and you have enough rest so you can start the day strong and ready to conquer. Thank you so much for watching. If you've not liked or subscribed, please do below, and see you in my next video.